Hello everyone. Today is Saturday, June the 12th, 2021, and welcome back to another weather video. Today we're going to be talking about today's severe threat into the southeast, specifically South Carolina is going to get hit really hard with these storms that are now popping up at the current moment. We do have a marginal risk for a lot of the country, especially the eastern part of the country. And we do have a slight risk for those of you who live in New Mexico and Texas, around the Texas Panhandle in eastern New Mexico. I took a break the last couple of days, so I didn't have a video, but I'm back with another video. So we're going to time out these storms, and we're also going to take a quick look at the tropics, because obviously Bill will probably form. Right now it's still at a 20% chance, but we'll explain that later on in the video. But first, we're going to explain what is going on with this severe weather threat for today. So as we move through the rest of the day, Florida is going to get hit with storms too. So if you live in Florida, you do have some stormy weather that is occurring in Florida. But South Carolina and North Carolina are going to get hit really hard, especially as we get into later into tonight, around 9 o'clock, around 6 o'clock. The storms start to pop up, and they might be strong to severe storms. So I don't know if we're going to have a severe thunderstorm watch for a good portion of South Carolina today or something, because these storms might pack a punch. Probably going to be a lot of heavy rain with these storms, a lot of wind, damaging winds. Because they're moving from north to south. You can clearly see as we go back in time around 6 o'clock tonight, and then as we move into 9 o'clock, they're clearly moving from north to south. So these storms will pack a punch. There'll be damaging winds, heavy rain, lots of lightning and thunder. And if you live in South Carolina, coastal Georgia, you're going to get hit with a lot of these bad storms. And they're going to be still storming into the beginning of tomorrow on Sunday. So yeah, it's going to be a very rude night if you live in South Carolina. It's going to be even ruder night if you live into coastal Georgia, northern Florida. This goes all into northern Florida. So today is going to be a severe weather threat day if you live into South Carolina, coastal Georgia. Florida's getting hit right now with some storms. But anyway, let's move on to the next part of the video, where we're going to be talking about the hurricane part of the video. So now we are in the hurricane part of the video. Right now, the Hurricane Center, the National Hurricane Center, has issued that the tropical disturbance down there near Mexico, now it's moved into the Gulf of Mexico now. So now we're talking about it's moving into our location in the lower 48. It still has a 20% chance of developing into a tropical storm. But as we go through the models, this weekend looks pretty wet. Next week looks pretty wet. It won't be until Friday, June 18th. So next Friday, not yesterday, but next Friday, until we start to see Bill start to form. As you can clearly see, this might be Bill right here. We don't know if it's going to go to the west, is it going to go to Texas, or is it going to go straight up to Louisiana or Mississippi, or is it going to take a turn to the northeast and go over to the Florida Panhandle, Alabama, Georgia? We don't know yet, but we do know that Bill will probably form into a hurricane, a Cat 1 hurricane, maybe a tropical storm. We still have to worry about what Bill will do. Will it go to the northwest? Will it go straight up to the north, or will it go to the northeast? And so as we move into Saturday, June 18th, it says it might make landfall. This is the GFS model. It says it might make landfall into southeast Louisiana and then move into Alabama, southern Alabama, maybe the Florida Panhandle, bring some heavy rain to that area. And then maybe southern Georgia will get impacted with this. So next week is going to be a prime week for development. I think, in my opinion, next week is going to be a prime week for development. because this storm, we've been talking about this for a week now. I think next week is going to be the week where we start to talk about what will happen. Will it form into a tropical storm, a hurricane? Where will it go? Will it go to Texas? Will it go to Louisiana? Will it go to the Florida Panhandle? How much rain will it be? How strong will the winds will be? So next week is going to be the prime week for Bill and what will happen with Bill. But anyway, thanks for watching this video for today. I will see you on Monday, June the 14th, 2021. I'm done with school. School is over with, so you don't have to worry about me talking about school anymore because the last day of school was yesterday. But anyway, thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you on Monday. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.